Hey guys, welcome to White Rock Crypto. So in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to store your Bitcoin in offline wallet. Okay, so if you leave your cryptocurrencies in exchanges like Binance or any cryptocurrency exchange, you don't own that cryptocurrency because it's on Binance account. But if you put it on your own offline wallet that you own, that means that you 100% own the cryptocurrency. Nobody else can access it. Okay, so that's the safest way to store cryptocurrencies. And you can use ledger wallets to do it. So let me show you. So for example, I use Ledger Nano as. And what this device does is that you can put your cryptocurrencies there, store your cryptocurrencies offline, and it's very easy to use. And you can not only store Bitcoin, but you can also store a lot other cryptocurrencies, like you can see there. Okay, so Ledger is my go-to offline wallet. So you can check the website in the description of this video, and let me show you how to get started. So the first step is obviously to buy your Ledger Nano as. You can come here and they have now fancy colors. When I bought it, there has only black, but now there's like flamingo pink, jade green, lagoon blue, transparent even. That's cool. Okay, and you can select color here. You can either use Nano X or Nano S, it doesn't matter, and you just basically order it here, and then it will be shipped to you, and then you can store your cryptocurrency safely. But always make sure that you're using the original website. So you can find the original. I'm affiliate for Ledger, and you can check the link in description. I will get proportion of the sale, like 20%. So but anyway, that affiliate link means that it's the official website. Okay, so be sure to use that link so to make sure you are on the official website. Like you can see here, there's many like there's so many scams out there, so be sure to use the official website in the description. But anyway, so Ledger Nano as it's like you can see Bluetooth connection up to 100 apps stored. You don't need that. You can just order the $59 euros one, or you could order Nano X. That's also like cool. It doesn't literally matter, but you like, of course, if you want to store more, you can just buy Nano X. But anyway, after that, when you buy it, when you come to the official website, you want to come here and where it says start using Ledger devices. Okay, so you want to use the original website and follow this tutorial here. And you also need to download the live Ledger app. So why I recommend just using the tutorials on here. Don't go to YouTube, watch the tutorials, because they are outdated and they might be scamming you. But if you come to the original website, this is like the original stuff. You can come here and like get your live to start selling you up your device. After that, watch the video here. They will go step by step on how to do it. And you know, it's the company in itself, so it knows what it's doing. They have been doing it a lot, and it's easy to follow. So install applications and then you are set. Okay, then your cryptocurrencies are off an offline wallet, very safe. So just order it, then after that come to this website, like bookmark the website, and then just follow the tutorials there and you're good to go. And that's how I started using Ledger. I watched their tutorial and yeah, it works. Like they are constantly updated. Keep it up to date. So definitely I highly recommend you to get Ledger Nano wallets. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch more videos on my channel, go ahead. There's very good videos here. Also subscribe to my channel for daily cryptocurrency news, and also check out my free crypto tips newsletter where you get all sorts of awesome cryptocurrency related things. So definitely go check that out. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos.